There goes the train I just got off of. And guess what just turned 40 last month? That's right, there's the iconic Jefferson Station mosaic. Turned 40 last month. The big 4-0. Although it's a month late, what a better way to celebrate than riding the elevator to 10th and Filbert Streets at the end of this platform. There's a look at the iconic mosaic right there. Turned 40 last month. It's better to take an outbound train at night, in my opinion, because you get the full effect of the mosaic better. That was my phone. Let me get my key card. Let me dig for my key card. This is an Otis, installed in 1984. 10th and Filbert right there. There's the outbound side towards Thorndale right there. Here it is. Let's go up to S. Flickering a bit there. There's the concourse. Here we are at S. I'm gonna go back down to P.
Street level, going down.
That doesn't light up. Doesn't jolt as much as it did when I was here for the auto show, it doesn't sound like. There's the concourse. Go back up to S and do a silent tread. Watching through this window.
Going up.
There's the down escalators right there. It opens so I can zoom in on them. Here we go. Do not lean against the door sign. Nice view. Well, we'll do another silent trip just to get the motor in, but there is the concourse right there. And here we are at S. We're gonna go back down to P. Go back down to P.
Street level, going down.
Doing some Christmas shopping because I wanted to wait until I had a beanie hat in case I missed the last express train for the evening, which is why I went to Suburban Square last year. Here we are at S, here we are at P, I mean.
Platform level.
I'm gonna close the doors. I'm going to close the doors so we can get the motor in if it starts up.
Going down.
Go back down to P. Go up to S one more time.
Platform level. Going up.
Go down to C.
Street level. Going down.
Smells like burnt toast out here. Go down to C.
Concourse level. Going down.
We're gonna send it down to P so I can get that lantern going off. There it goes. Should be coming up any second.
Schedule 11:54, local 211 station. Next to arrive on track 4, section
Huh.
A.
Someone must have called it upstairs. It's either that or it automatically recalls to S.
111 station. Next to arrive on track 4, section A.
And in case there's someone on it, that's